Who wants it? Go get the ball. And we won't see the ball again. Come on, Matilda. Bring it. Come on. And there goes Coco chasing a bird. What is it? What is it, Coco? Get that bird. Get that bird. Oh, here we go. We're going to get on top of the duck. Oh, no, she isn't. What are you doing, Coco? What you after? I see your little feet. What is it? What is it, Coco? You think you're going to get that bird, don't you? What are my other two doing? Oh, there's one. Where's the ball? Oh my goodness. And that's how dachshunds play fetch. Give me that ball. Look at it, all torn up. Who wants the ball? Get it. Bring me the ball, Jill. Oh. Nope, she got sidetracked with the bird again. Where's the bird? Come on. Oh. She hears it. Where's that bird, Coco? Coco. Come here. You can't get that bird. You can't get the bird.